Have you ever gazed upon the night sky and pondered the possibility of life beyond our planet? It's a question that's tickled the curiosity of humanity for centuries. The vastness of the universe is beyond our comprehension, a seemingly infinite expanse of pure wonder and mystery. Imagine, if you will, the cosmos as an endless sea speckled with countless islands of galaxies. Each galaxy a swirling mass of stars, gas, and dust, spinning in a cosmic ballet choreographed by the laws of physics. In our Milky Way alone, there are estimated to be over 200 billion stars, each one a sun, possibly orbited by its own set of planets. Now multiply that by the estimated 2 trillion galaxies in the observable universe, and the mind boggles at the sheer scale. In the midst of this celestial spectacle, we find ourselves on a tiny blue dot, a single planet orbiting a modest star. Earth, our home, is but a grain of sand on the cosmic beach. It's easy to feel small, isn't it? And yet, despite our apparent insignificance, we've reached out into the darkness, seeking answers, yearning for connection. But what are the odds of finding life out there? Well, consider this. Even if a minuscule fraction of the planets around those stars are similar to Earth, that would still mean billions of potential homes for life. And that's just in our galaxy. The probability of life existing elsewhere based on sheer numbers is not just a possibility, it's a statistical likelihood. So as we gaze upon the cosmos, we are confronted with a profound question. In this grand tapestry of existence, where stars are born and die in fiery spectacle, where galaxies spin in a dance of eternity, where the very fabric of reality is woven from the threads of time and space, are we truly the only ones? In the grand scheme of the cosmos, our Earth is but a speck of dust, which begs the question, are we really alone? Science fiction has long toyed with the idea of extraterrestrial life, but what does science say? Let's delve into the realm of the factual, where imagination meets rigorous scrutiny. In the pursuit of extraterrestrial life, one equation has been a beacon of hope and a source of debate for more than 5 decades. The Drake equation. Named after astrophysicist Frank Drake, this mathematical formula attempts to estimate the number of advanced civilizations in our very own Milky Way galaxy. The equation factors in variables such as the rate of star formation, the fraction of those stars with planetary systems, the number of planets that could potentially support life, the fraction on which life could evolve, the fraction that could develop intelligent life, the lifespan of such civilizations, and more. While the variables are subject to wide interpretation, the equation as a whole brings us to the realization that even by conservative estimates, there's a significant probability that we're not alone in this vast universe. However, it's important to note that the Drake equation, as compelling as it may be, remains a tool for speculation rather than a definitive proof of extraterrestrial existence. Moving from speculation to active search, we find the search for extraterrestrial intelligence, or SETI. SETI scientists are on a tireless quest using state-of-the-art technology to scan the cosmos for signals that could possibly be attributed to alien civilizations. They're listening for a whisper, a cosmic hello from the depths of space. But despite decades of effort, this quest remains unfulfilled, with silence being our only answer so far. Yet the absence of evidence is not evidence of absence. The universe is unimaginably vast, and our search has barely scratched the surface. The lack of detected signals doesn't negate the possibility of extraterrestrial life. It merely highlights the enormity of our quest. While we have yet to find concrete evidence, the probability of other life forms in the universe remains high. This is not the end of our quest, but rather the beginning of an even greater journey, a testament to our enduring curiosity and unyielding hope. Now imagine this. What if an alien mothership is lurking nearby, observing us silently? Picture a colossal spacecraft hidden in the shadows of our solar system. A vessel teeming with extraterrestrial life, its crew studying our planet with an insatiable curiosity. This, my friends, is the concept of the alien mothership theory. The theory is as fascinating as it is frightening. It suggests that advanced alien civilizations might be observing us, much like how we observe animals in the wild. We are, in essence, their cosmic zoo. To these civilizations, our technology, our culture, our very existence could be a source of intrigue. But why would they hide? Why not make contact? There are many hypotheses. Perhaps they're waiting for the right time, for the right technological or socio-political milestone. Maybe they're observing the effects of certain cosmic events on our civilization, or Perhaps they're simply studying us, their interest purely scientific. Some scholars argue that these beings might be following something akin to the Prime Directive from Star Trek, a self-imposed rule not to interfere with the natural evolution of lesser-developed civilizations. They could be waiting for us to reach a certain level of technological advancement before revealing themselves. Others suggest a more ominous reason. They could be studying our weaknesses, preparing for an invasion. This is certainly a more chilling proposition, but it's worth noting that any civilization capable of such covert observation would likely have little to gain from invading us. Then there's the zoo hypothesis, which suggests that they are merely watching us out of curiosity, like a child peering into an ant farm. We're an exhibit in their cosmic museum, a living testament to the diversity of life in the universe. These theories, while speculative, force us to consider our place in the cosmos. Are we alone, or are we being watched by eyes we cannot see? It's a chilling thought, isn't it? An otherworldly vessel just beyond our sight, watching, waiting. What would happen if we made contact? Let's take a moment to ponder over that. Imagine for a moment an unprecedented event, a groundbreaking moment when we finally make contact with an alien civilization. The implications of such an event would be far-reaching, affecting every facet of human existence. Firstly, let's consider the cultural implications. Our societies, cultures, and religions are largely centered around the belief that we're unique, the only sentient beings in the universe. Contact with an extraterrestrial civilization would shatter this belief, leading to a seismic shift in our cultural and religious perspectives. We'd have to reconcile our place in the universe not as the sole inhabitants, but as part of a larger cosmic community. Next, let's discuss the technological implications. The level of advancement of an alien civilization, especially one capable of interstellar travel, would likely be far beyond our own. Their technology could potentially revolutionize our world, leading to advances in fields such as energy, transportation, medicine, and more. We could learn and grow exponentially from such a meeting, propelling our civilization forward at an unimaginable pace. But we must also consider the philosophical implications. What does it mean to be human in a universe teeming with life? Our understanding of ourselves, our place in the cosmos, and the nature of life itself would be challenged and expanded. We might find ourselves asking new questions, seeking new truths, and redefining our understanding of existence. However, contact also comes with its risks. We must be prepared for the possibility that not all civilizations may be friendly or benevolent. There could be potential dangers, misunderstandings, and conflicts, but these risks do not outweigh the potential benefits. They simply underline the need for caution, preparation, and diplomacy. The day we make contact, if it ever comes, will undoubtedly be the most monumental day in human history. It will be a day of revelation, transformation, and perhaps even salvation. But until that day comes, we can only speculate, prepare, and hope for a future where we are no longer alone in the universe. But the real question remains, are we ready to face the truth of our place in the universe? As we stand on the precipice of possibility, we are forced to reckon with the reality of our readiness. Are we prepared to face the reality of extraterrestrial life? This is a question that goes beyond the physical, delving deep into the very core of our humanity. It's a question that could shatter our beliefs, challenge our understanding of life, and redefine our sense of identity. Imagine for a moment the revelation that we are not alone, that there are beings, perhaps vastly different from us, but life nonetheless, thriving in the far reaches of the universe. Such a reality could be a profound shakeup to the foundations of our understanding. It could challenge our religious beliefs, our philosophical constructs, our scientific theories. It could force us to rethink our place in the grand scheme of things and reevaluate our self-conception as the sole intelligent life forms. But it's not all existential dread. The discovery of extraterrestrial life could also have the power to unite us. It could serve as a stark reminder of our shared humanity, our shared planet, and our shared universe. It could bring us together in a way that no other event could, highlighting our commonalities over our differences and fostering a sense of global unity. However, it could also drive a wedge between us. It could lead to fear, suspicion, and conflict. It could create divisions based on how we choose to respond to this newfound reality. It could test our resolve, our compassion, and our ability to adapt and evolve. In essence, the question of our readiness is as complex and multifaceted as humanity itself. It's a question that invites introspection, debate, and a deep dive into the human condition. Whether we are ready or not, the universe waits for no one. The truth, whatever it may be, is out there. And it's up to us as seekers of knowledge and explorers of the cosmos to face it with courage, curiosity, and an open mind.